Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change a background color in Lucidchart. All right, so it's pretty easy to do. So first up, open up your diagram. Okay. Now, once you're in here, as you can see here, we have this white background, and to be able to change it, you're going to want to go to the top left. All right. And here we have the file. Just click on it. Now, go ahead and hover your mouse into the bottom and then go to settings. Now in here, as you can see here, we have this option called document settings. Okay. Just click on it. Now in here under canvas and page, make sure to click on it. Now here we have the background color. Just click on it. And here we have multiple options. Okay. As you can see here, when you hover your mouse onto a color, it will automatically change the background color of our canvas. All right. Just like that. Now I like this canary one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now hit on X. And as you can see here, we just changed the background color of our canvas here in Lucidchart. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.